Hello everyone, my name is Vikas Kumar and we are going to study about trigonometry plus 10th. Trigonometry. Trigonometry is derived from Greek word trigno means three angles and metron means measurement. That is the measurement of three angles of a given triangle. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with triangles, particularly triangles in a plane where one angle of the triangle is 90 degree. Trigonometry specifically deals with relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle, that is on the trigonometric function and with calculation based on these functions. Now what is right angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is equals to 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. The side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse, and the length AB is called perpendicular and length BC is called base of the triangle. Now let us understand what is Pythagoras theorem. For a given right angle triangle ABC, Pythagoras theorem states that the square of hypotenuse is equals to square of sum of perpendicular of triangle and base of the triangle, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now what is trigonometric ratio? The ratio of sides of a right angle triangle with respect to any of its acute angles are known as trigonometric ratio of that particular angle. There are six trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cot, cosec, sec. And the trigonometric ratio can be found out for a given angle theta, that is sine theta is equals to opposite side to theta upon hypotenuse. Similarly, we can find out all these remaining trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratio of a complementary angle. First of all, let's understand what is complementary angle. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90 degree. In the given triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree and angle C is theta and angle A is 90 minus theta. Angle A and angle C are complementary to each other because the sum of the angles of these two is equals to 90 degree. From the above, we can obtain sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and similarly we can find all the remaining ratios. Here we will discuss the value of trigonometric functions for the given angles. Sin theta is equals to 0 when the angle is 0 degree, and the value of sin theta is equals to 1 upon 2 when the angle is 30 degree. Similarly, we can find all the values of angles from the given table of the trigonometric functions. Now let's understand what is trigonometric identities. There are three trigonometric identities in trigonometry that are based on the right angle triangle theorem or Pythagoras theorem, which are sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta, cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. All these three trigonometric identities are used for solving the problems involving trigonometric identities for the higher level. Now take an example to understand what we have studied. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta can be proved by many ways, but we will take here three different approaches to solve this problem. First, by Pythagoras theorem. For this we have taken a triangle ABC where angle B is 90 degree. So tan square theta plus 1 can be written as AB. Tan theta can be written as P upon में B, that is perpendicular upon में base, that is AP upon में BC का square plus 1, and it can also be written as P upon B square plus 1, and taking the LCM, A square plus B square becomes H square from the Pythagoras theorem, and it comes out to sec square theta because sec theta is equal to H upon में B, hence proved. In terms of other identities, we can solve this problem also. Now sec square theta can be written as 1 upon में cos square theta because sec theta is equal to sec theta is inversely proportional to cos theta, and tan theta can be written in the form of sin theta and cos theta also. Now taking the LCM, we can conclude that 1 minus sin square theta upon में cos square theta, 1 minus sin square theta becomes cos square theta from the trigonometric identities, and it becomes 1 when now solving this problem when theta is equals to 45 degree. Sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. The value of sec 45 degree and tan 45 degree are given in the table, and putting the value of sec theta and tan theta, we find the solution is